Hey, it's Ben from Fusion Lighting, and in this short video I'll show you how you can bring your garden to life of an evening with some garden lights. So let's take a look. We're going to light this garden bed down the side of the house so it looks beautiful of an evening, plus throw some light down this side of the house which is rather dark. To do this we'll need a 60 watt transformer. We'll use 4 3-watt garden lights. They'll join into these T-joiners, which allows us to join extension cables between them to link them all up. These are the 1 metre extension cables, and we'll use a 5 metre extension cable to get us back to the power. These T-joiners make it real simple, so you join one end of the garden light into the T-joiner, then the other end you'll have a 1 metre tail. So this is how we can link all of them up very easily, to save splicing and everything like that, and then we just keep joining as many as we need. Then once you've got it all hooked up, this is how it looks turned on. And this is a view from inside the house. Looks beautiful looking out and lights up the place. Our garden lighting range is simple to use, and with the quick connect system you don't have to cut and splice, and you can get your lights up running very quick. You just push together, turn them on and off you go.